Monday Minute from Automation Direct. Automation Direct carries the ETA REX Modular 24-volt electronic circuit protectors. These protectors safeguard 24-volt DC electrical circuits from overcurrent, short circuits, undervoltage, and other faults. They feature a modular design. Individual protection modules can be combined to meet specific circuit protection requirements, allowing for flexible configurations and easy installation. A REX system consists of a main supply module, which connects to the 24-volt DC power supply, and up to 16 circuit protection modules that are electrically connected to the backplane. No additional accessories or tools required. Optional load and ground distribution modules can simplify wiring to multiple loads. The ETA REX modular circuit protectors are UL recognized, CE marked, RoHS compliant, and offer a 1-year warranty. Learn more by visiting www.AutomationDirect.com/electronic circuit protection. Click here for more Monday Minute videos. Click here to see more products from Automation Direct.